Hi Fresno Unified students. We are taking a different approach to distance learning the next few weeks. You will not need a method book for these lessons. You will be receiving video instruction, the video instruction you're watching right now on YouTube, and a PDF of each exercise that I'm going to be going over. In these videos, I will walk you through the steps to learn each exercise so you can be successful. We will cover key signature, time signature, rhythms, and note names. Then you will hear what it sounds like on a real instrument and get an opportunity to practice. If you don't have an instrument, that's okay. You can clap and count rhythms, and you can review note names and airplay your instruments. Hi, beginning trombone players. We're going to start this week on exercise 1. First, this is bass clef. Everybody say bass clef. One more time, say bass clef. Bass clef is the clef that trombone is in. Now let's move over to your key signature. Your key signature has 2 flats. When your key signature has 2 flats, that tells you all B's and E's are flat. Ladies and gentlemen, what notes are flat? All B's and E's are flat. One more time, what notes are flat? All B's and E's are flat. Good job. Now we're going to move over to time signature. You're in 4/4 time. The top 4 tells you there are 4 beats in a measure. How many beats are in a measure, ladies and gentlemen? 4 beats. One more time, how many beats are in a measure? 4 beats. Good. Now we're going to go down to the bottom 4. The bottom 4 tells you that the quarter note gets 1 beat. What does the bottom number tell you? The quarter note gets 1 beat. One more time. What does the bottom 4 tell you? The quarter note gets 1 beat. Now we're going to move on to the rhythms. Now the way this is going to work, ladies and gentlemen, is I'm going to clap and count rhythms for you. I'm going to show you how you count them. Then I'm going to clap and count them for you. Then you're going to do it with me, and then you're going to do it by yourselves. So, first up, we have a half note here. Then a quarter note. Then a quarter rest. By the way, quarter rest, ladies and gentlemen, is 1 silent beat. How many beats is a quarter rest? 1 silent beat. One more time. How many silent beats is a quarter rest? 1 silent beat. Now here, we have a half rest. Everybody say half rest. Okay, say one more time, half rest. Half rest, ladies and gentlemen, is 2 silent beats. How many silent beats is a half rest? 2 silent beats. One more time. How many silent beats is a half rest? 2 silent beats. Good. So, we have a quarter rest and we have a half rest. Now we have a half note. Now we have 4 quarter notes, 3 quarter notes, and a quarter rest. So what's going to happen now? I'm going to clap and count it for you. I'm going to give you some time to practice, and then we're going to try it together. Listen, please. 1, 2, 3. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Now practice on your own. Now let's try it together. When I count to 4, we're going to do it together. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. How did you do? If you got all or most of it right, give yourselves a pat on the shoulder. If not, keep practicing. And the really cool thing about YouTube is you can always rewind. Now go ahead and try it on your own. Now let's go over the note names. If you're having trouble identifying note names, I encourage you to go to Music with the Dunlops, Lesson 1, Notes on the Staff and Note Names, and that will help you identify notes better. Now let's go over these notes. So right here we have a half note D, then a quarter note D, then a quarter rest. Now we have a half rest, a half note B flat, then a quarter note B flat, a quarter note C, a quarter note D, a quarter note E flat, a quarter note F, a quarter note D, and a quarter note B flat, then a quarter rest. So what's going to happen now is I'm going to say the notes within the rhythm, and you're going to listen to me. Then we're going to do it together after you practice, and then you're going to do it by yourselves. So I'm going to say the notes now. D, D, B flat. And we know it's B flat because there's 2 flats there, so all B's are flat. Let's start over. D, D, B flat. B flat, C, D, E flat. And we know it's E flat because of the 2 flats. F, D, B flat. All right, go ahead and practice on your own. All right, let's try it together. When I count to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. D, D. B flat. B flat, C, D, E flat, F, D, B flat. Now try it on your own. All right, now let's move on to exercise 2. We have our clef, that is bass clef. Now we're going to go to the key signature. You have 2 flats. That means all B's and E's are flat. Ladies and gentlemen, what notes are flat? All B's and E's are flat. One more time, what notes are flat? All B's and E's are flat. Now let's go to the time signature. We're in 4/4 time. The top 4 means that there are 4 beats in a measure. What does the top 4 mean? There are 4 beats in a measure. One more time, what does the top 4 mean? There are 4 beats in a measure. Now what does the bottom 4 mean? The bottom 4 means that the quarter note gets 1 beat. What does the bottom 4 mean? The quarter note gets 1 beat. Good. Now let's go over the rhythm. So we have a quarter note here, then a quarter rest, then a quarter note, a quarter note, a quarter note, a quarter rest, a quarter note, half note, quarter note, quarter note, quarter note. Remember, quarter notes are 1 beat, half notes are 2 beats, and quarter rest, of course, are 1 silent beat. So I'm going to clap and count this now. Go ahead and listen. 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Go ahead and practice that on your own. All right, let's try it together. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. All right, now try it on your own. All right, now let's go over the notes. We have a quarter note F, a quarter rest, a quarter note F, a quarter note F, a quarter note G, a quarter note rest, quarter note E flat, quarter note C, half note D, half note E flat, quarter note D, quarter note B flat, a quarter rest. Those are the notes. Now I'm going to say the notes in the rhythm of the song. F, 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 G, E flat, C, D, E flat, D, B flat, B flat. Go ahead and practice that on your own. Now let's try it together when I count to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. F, 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 G, E flat, C, D, E flat, D, B flat, B flat. All right, now try it on your own. Now let's go to exercise 3. This will be the final exercise for this week. Once again, we have our clef, that is a bass clef, and we have 2 flats. When we have 2 flats, what notes are flat? All B's and E's are flat. Now let's go to our time signature. The top number is 4. What does that top 4 tell us? There are 4 beats in a measure. What does the bottom 4 tell us? The quarter note gets 1 beat. All right, here's the rhythm. So we have a half note, a quarter note, a quarter note, a quarter rest, a quarter note, a quarter note, a quarter note, a whole note. Whole notes are 4 beats, ladies and gentlemen. A half rest, 2 silent beats, and a half note. I'm going to clap and count that for you. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. Go ahead and practice that. All right, let's do it together when I count to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. All right, go ahead and try it on your own. All right, let's review the notes now. So we have a half note F, a quarter note G, a quarter note F. Now a quarter rest. Quarter note F, quarter note E flat, quarter note D, whole note C, half rest, and half note B flat. Now I'm going to say the notes within the rhythm of the song. F, G, F, F, E flat, D, C, B flat. All right, go ahead and practice that on your own. All right, now let's try it together when I count to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. F, G, F, F, E flat, D, C, B flat. All right, now try it on your own. All right, ladies and gentlemen, now you're going to get a chance to hear what all 3 of these exercises sound like on the trombone. This will help you with your practicing. Thank you for participating in this week's lesson, and I will see you.
Today I'll be playing your trombone exercises for you. This is exercise 1. This is exercise 2. This is exercise 3.